Hi, this is Keith. Welcome back. Today we're going to finish up with the last panel on this one-page website with the Builderall Platform and the Cheetah Builder. We're going to be working on this, you could call it a footer, and we're going to add this next. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm clicking on the panel and then an edit icon or pencil icon. I want to see what the size of this panel is. So it's 93 height. Okay. And then I want to get the background color. So I go to background settings and let's see, I'm going to copy the hex code. Let's go over here. Let's add a panel. I'm going to go ahead and delete this text box. Click the pencil icon. I'll change the size property so it's 93. Let's go to the background settings. I'll choose solid color and paste in the hex code. And the hex code is, let's see, 8 F as in Frank 5 5 F as in Frank 5. Okay. Let's go back over here. I'm going to go back here and check the minimum height. Minimum height is 50. Let's go ahead and copy this text. Text color is white. Now go ahead and center it. Neutral paragraph. Size 17. Line height 1.4. And it looks like I'm going to change the text color to white. Okay. I'm going to center this. Okay, there we have it. Give it a few seconds to save, publish it. Okay, the website is now almost complete. What we have to do now is hook up the menu, so whenever I click on any one of these, it's automatically going to scroll down to that particular section or panel. That's number one that we'll do. Two, we're going to check to see if the original site has any animations going on, and then we'll add those also. So in the next video, we're going to hook up the menu items, and we'll also hook up this button right here or image right here. So when we click on it, it automatically scrolls down to the section right below it. So I'll see you on the next video, and thanks for stopping by today. And you have a great day. Bye now.